Good afternoon, traders. It is Erica at Alpha E Trades. It is Monday, September 13th, just about 2:30 p.m. Eastern time in the States here. Quick update on price action and what we had go on our live private Twitter service here. Currently, just a little bit of a mini correction here. ES we're negative 11. Finally trying to get some more volume for the sellers. NQ negative 80. RTY holding in green, a little flat, but 4 points give or take. Now on Friday, we had a 4-hour charts triggered, and so we are doing a continuation off of our 4-hour charts. And so I had posted this on, for those of you who follow me on Twitter, you had plenty of time to get into this. So let's take a look here at what I had posted on my normal Twitter. But this is what we have in our private service here. So we had fresh sellers that were triggered. We're targeting down into the 44.20. And so again, this we were triggered last Friday on this, did quite well. Thousands of dollars to be made depending upon on how many contracts that you're trading. I'm currently just trading one here. If you take a look here where I got in, these are what our blueprints look like. So you get your trigger, basically where you enter. Your invalidation is where your stop is. If the risk is too much, since this is a 4-hour, you would go down to a lower time frame, put your stop on a prior resistance or support, depending if you're buying and or selling. And then obviously you move your target down onto your stop here. So 44.20 is where we're headed to. And so far, so good on ES here. Okay, now let's take a look at NQ. NQ, we have fresh sellers here on our 15-minute chart. They're not triggered just yet here. I'm in early from, we had a 4-hour triggered from Friday, okay, and they were triggered right here. So we're targeting 15,303 here. We're not there just yet, but we should be there hopefully. We've got 2 hours before, actually, well, hour and a half before cash market close. And so we'll see here if our fresh sellers can get triggered here from a 15-minute standpoint. Now from the 15-minute chart, every chart has different targets, okay? So we use level by level. So we're going to start with this first level here up from a 4-hour perspective, 15,303, and then target one here from a 15-minute. We should have some volume here. If you take a look at volumes, we're getting our volume surged up here, 24, 27. There, so this should surge down. However, we do have S3 down here, so we have to be careful of our what we call brick walls. So again, level by level. So we'll start with 15,303 on NQ, and that's coming off of a 4-hour chart here. And ES here, again, traders targeting 44.20. So hopefully some of you were able to take advantage and get into that trade here. Now, RTY, don't have anything set up on RTY just yet. We had something set up in the afternoon, again, because RTY is positive, but you can see here on the 15-minute chart, we're just a little flat here. So nothing truly set up on RTY. So hopefully everyone is having an amazing Monday. We're a little out of the range here, meaning we've got just a little bit of some movement here. It is difficult to trade when we truly are in range. We were like that last week for a few days, and it can certainly be challenging to trade here. So with that being said, we will be back tomorrow to see if we're buying and or selling, or maybe we're range. So we'll see how we're going. But this is our intraday and what we're trading on our private Twitter feed. For those who are interested, take a look at Alpha E Trades. It is what we do, and we certainly don't break the bank on our subscription costs. Many traders make their subscription cost in one trade. It is $89 per month. As you can see on my 2 trades here, got $500 here on ES, $155 on NQ, floating around here, but we're not triggered on this as well here. So with that being said, have an amazing trade day, and we'll be back tomorrow.